today, and where I'm going to be playing. If you know this guy, someone let me know, because he doesn't know. Because I'm filming. Okay, so whatever. Okay, I just have to let him know that. Boy, who was filming? Okay, let's get straight into this thing. Wait a second. Never saw Tom in a long time. Let's use the slingshot up to. He's probably in the stump like battling. No, he's not. Where could he be? I wonder where he could be. He's obviously in the 15B zone. Wait, where? No, that's where Pwn Line is. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, you should. Well, on the way up here. Come on, he can't be. He can't be here. What? Where is he? Could only be in the 10B zone. Or the 15B zone. Always one up here. No, that's Porry the Parrot. Oh my god, there he is, there he is, there he is! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm catching up to him. I'm here. Do you not see me? Hello, Tom. Hello. Just say hi to everyone, okay? Just say hi to all the fans. Yes. Yeah, think about everyone else. Yeah. YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, I think that's how you record things like that. I don't think you're supposed to be like cool crushed. You don't need too much charm, okay? Okay, you don't need too much charm to be a guy. You can't say yeah, YouTube, I won't lie. Say subscribe. Say subscribe, okay? Say subscribe. Say subscribe because I've not got that many subscribers, guys, so I need subscribers, okay? Okay, he's just gonna say subscribe. I know he is. I know he is. You gummies. Subscribe. Oh my god, he's just a robot, isn't he? So if you haven't, like, he just said subscribe. Even though he has his cell. Mini Morley hasn't either. Where is he? Where is Polly? Where's Polly the Parrot? Where is he? Catching up to you, boy. Let's go, he's disappeared. Where did he actually go? I've literally lost him. So I'm gonna shoot to the moon. Wee, please, please, please. No, man. No, man. There you are, Tom Smith. Don't run away from me, you know I'll catch you. Hehe. G-Top. You can say what you like. True, you have to say what you like. You can say what you like, okay? You can say what you like. I don't think you'll say much because he's little shy cam, okay? He's shy cam. He doesn't like talking like on cam. So Oh. Well duh, yeah. Yeah, you bet. Yeah. Come on, you can say whatever you want. Just don't say swear word, okay? Or else you'll get reported for that, okay? So you can't say swear words, okay? Don't say swears. That would just make that videos all go to plot. Anyways, if he plotted this, I don't even know what to do. Subscribe to Roller. Oh yeah! He said it wrong, studio. Nice. Nice, bruh. Nice. Nice, bruh. It looks like I'm saying Nick there. Mine. Oh, he has one too. Okay, but it's just invisible. Okay, I'm going to Sprout. Okay, I'm buying a Sprout. Buying a Sprout for myself. Okay. I'm buying a Sprout for me and Tom Smith. Okay. Oh man, he's left. Why are you running away from me? Isn't this like a private video? Hey, bruh, calm down. My micro converter, mine. Oh my gosh, I love your vids. They're cool. Yeah, they're cool. You're just gonna see me type all the way through, okay? All of the gumdrops, all of them. I just love gumdrops. They're all my gumdrops, okay? Still raining gumdrops? Yeah, yep. I'm giving a shout out to G-Top, he's just the best. I give a shout out to you, Tom. Talk! I didn't mean... Some previous things going on there, okay? Some previous things that were not supposed to happen. Hashtag technical abuse, okay? Go join them again. Flip. Oh my flipping god. Hashtag personal abuse. Oh, yeah. That happened, okay? I always lose connection, but I've never used one in the video, okay? Never used one in the video. I've literally been talking for 8 minutes. What the frick? Oh my flipping god. I'm just... Hey bruh! Oh my god, that's Project Zorgo. Pokemon. Oh my god. Where do you get all these names from? Project Zorgo. Everything. Everything means the world, ladies and gentlemen, I do say. So, we're gonna make the run. Yes! Got 5 tickets. Just need to go and poop scoop. What the? Has joined the game. Did you not join before? Oh my god, that was just a nice shot. Wait, let's do a memory match. Let's do that, okay. We're doing a memory match. Okay, we're doing a memory match. Let's do a memory match. And the things that we were supposed to do, like memory matches. God, wolf, no. Bad wolf. Okay. Not bad when I'm in here, okay? I'm safe in here. Got 3 chances. Seriously. Oh, yeah. I've got this mix, haven't I? I've only got 2, right? Okay. Got them. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. Yeah! 2 field dices. Pretty nice. I don't forget, because I'm giving a shout out all to on the server. including Ashton. Oh my gosh. It's just amazing to have everyone celebrating. My friend, Tom. Yeah, that's right, Tom. Tom, that's his real name. Okay, you probably don't need to know that, okay? You just go on G-Talk, come on. Why would you... I feel like you have something weird going on. Just... Do it? Oh my gosh. The funnest thing ever is Stickbug looks creepy. Say it in the comments, everyone. Stickbug looks creepy. Which he is creepy. Okay. Hey, wait a second. I see him. He's in the stump. He's literally in the stump. I don't know how I saw that from like a billion miles away. I absolutely love how... Oh my god. Hi G-Top. What's up? You haven't really... I'm right here. Oh my gosh. This guy has a lot to learn about videos, hasn't he? I'm right here. You don't always have to say, where are you, know? There you are. Yeah, pardon. I'm a dad. Yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, I'm really up Adam. Okay. I'm up Adam because I'm really excited. Okay, I'm really excited. But one of the things is that G-Top has something in his ability. Okay, he has something like a gamer. I love Honey so much. Yeah, he should. You should. Okay, you should. You should love Honey. You should. I think we might have to end the vid here, guys. Using this microphone right here. Yeah, ready. Getting ready for me, honey. Yes. You should. I know I do. What do you expect? Okay. I do. I should. We got to end the bid. We got to end. You are B. Oh my god, you have a lot to learn. Yeah. I'm just disappearing. Okay, I reset. He's probably thinking, why are you leaving the server? It's because I'm literally losing connection. Okay. I'm sorry, G-Top. Okay, G-Top needs to learn something like in his technical things. Like, I can't tell him what to do. I literally can't. I can't tell him what to do. That would be just logic. I got Gun Sprout and I did it. You should be proud, okay? Why are you okay? Hey, bruh. I just need to sell my honey. Hey, bruh. I just needed to sell my honey. We gotta end it. Okay, we gotta end it because it's too long of it. We got to end here. We got to end here. So, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you want to smash the like button and the subscribe button, and also, you know, hit the notifications if you I'm on YouTube. Okay. Okay, we're ending it here, guys.